So it's that time of the year. Every technology company, I should say, out there releasing new products, new tablets, new phones, new earbuds, you name it. Now it's Apple's turn to release a new product. So Apple released some new AirPods, and this version is called the AirPods Pro, with a slogan, "Magic you have never heard." Now I'm not sure what that magic is, so let's take a deeper dive into these AirPods Pro. First, I want to give Apple credit for the look and the design of the AirPods Pro, which is not a surprise because Apple products are designed to have that look appeal. Eye candy, if you know what I mean. So let's run over some of the specs of this new AirPods Pro. These new AirPods Pro comes with active noise cancellation. There's a microphone on the outside and a microphone on the inside to filter out all that noise, but it also have a pass-through mode. So it will let noise in if you need to. And you will have total control of when you want to let the noise in or to block it out. The rubber tips that goes in your ear comes in 3 different sizes, so you have small, medium, and large to choose from. So between the choice of those 3, hopefully one of those will fit your ear comfortably. These new AirPods Pro come with adaptive equalization. So the AirPods Pro is going to automatically adjust the EQ to adapt to the size of your ear to keep that sound at the best quality as possible. But let's hope that you can control that also, because you might like your sound a little bassy, or you might not like the bass and you like more highs or more mid-range. So even though it can do it adaptively, hopefully you have some control over it to do it manually if you would like to. So of course Apple has to go over the specs and the kind of chip and what it does and all that stuff, but we're not going to talk about all that technical stuff because the technical specs a lot of people don't understand. They don't understand what an H1 chip is and all that stuff. All we want to know is this thing going to sound good when we purchase it and put it in our ear? So you can recharge these new AirPods wirelessly. Using the charging case will give you up to 24 hours of battery life. The standard usage is about 4.5 hours on a full charge. And this device does have sweat and water resistance. And if you don't have an Apple device, don't waste your time trying to purchase these new AirPods Pro because it's only compatible with the iPhone, the iPad, the iPod, the Apple Watch, the Mac, and the Apple TV. But you need to check that compatibility list to make sure that your device is on that list, even if you have an Apple device. So the controls that's built into these new AirPods Pros will let you play, pause, answer calls, go forward on the track, go back on the track, switch between active noise cancellation and transparency mode. And that depends on how many times you press it. You got 1 press, a 2 press, a 3 press, and a long hold. Plus you can use your voice to use Siri to play music, answer calls, or get directions. So when you purchase this Apple device, what you're going to get in the box, of course, is the AirPods Pro and the wireless charging case, 3 silicone tips, the Lightning to USB-C cable for another way of charging your AirPods Pro, and some documentation. And to purchase all that comes in the box, it's going to cost you $249. Alright, so that's going to be it for this video. I'm probably going to do a roundup of all these in-ear headphones. That include the new one from Amazon. Now we got this new one from Apple. And then you got one from Samsung. And I think there's some other ones out there too. So compare the differences and the plus and minuses of these devices. So if you're interested in seeing that video, stay tuned because it's coming real soon. I want to thank you for taking the time for watching this video. Have a good one, and I'll see you next time.